In this presentation, we're going to do a little bit of formatting to our worksheet in order to get the worksheet as properly formatted as possible. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. In order to move forward in an efficient way on the problem. So if we scroll down through our worksheet to the general journal, we can see we're running out of space down here. We could keep on going down forever, but then when we post, it's a little difficult because then we have to scroll all around, and we want to limit the amount of work as much as possible. So in order to do that, we're going to put some more general journal to the right, and we had done so before, but we hid the cells. So we want to unhide the general journal cells to the right, and then possibly hide these so that we can be working in as nice a worksheet as possible. So you can see that it's hidden by, whenever you see this, it says A, B, C, D, E, F, L, F, L, there's something wrong there. There's a hidden cells there. So to unhide those, we're just going to highlight across that section and unhide. So to do that, we're going to put our cursor on E, so we have the drop down, left click, scroll to L, let go. There's the selected cells. I'm going to put my cursor right on those selected cells, right click, and unhide. And there we have it. And now the song sounds better because it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Right, it sounds right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is hide these cells. So I've got what I need. I want to be working here. I want this to be as close to the general ledger as possible and as close to our problem as possible. So hopefully these are all correct, and we don't have to go back and fix them. If we do, then we're going to have to unhide what we're doing here. But hopefully they're right, and so we're going to hide these because we don't need to be looking at them now. So we'll put our cursor on B all the way to F, and then let go, and then we're going to put our cursor on those selected columns, right-click, and hide. And there we have that. So now we're ready to go. We're ready to keep going on the next set of transactions here with our general journal that we will then post to the general ledger. Note what did not happen. We didn't delete any of the data. But if we want to know where that data came from, it's going to say it's coming from these cells that are hidden between A and G. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.